And today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Jira and use it for project management. I have already created many projects in which I'm using this Jira work management project. For this, I'm going to open this, and first of all, it will, if you haven't made any account, then you have to create it. And I have to go to my project. Like, I have worked on different projects like this software project management, and here I have created sprint 1, and I can also attach documentations and all the other stuff. Like, if I'm having this one issue, I have one attachment related to the document, and I can also assign it to my members using team. I can invite people to Jira. Also, I can create sprints and backlogs. I've created right now 3 sprints, and there are 13 issues in backlog. Let's create one issue here. For example, I want to create an issue related to this is story task and to do, and the summary is to enable GPS location, and also I can assign it, but it is also assigned to me because I haven't added any persons yet. And I can create it to enable GPS location is one task, and it is added in there. Enable GPS location here. It is to do task, and also I can see to start the sprint. I can complete the sprint, and start sprint. I have to set the date, start date and end date. For example, if I'm going to give it 1st April and going to start that sprint, so it's going to in a board in progress. For example, if it is the registration page is in progress, I can shift it there. I can also manage the workflows from here. See, done, to do and progress, and I can also add done status or can also add to do status. To make interfaces, for example, I want to add a task uh, interface, so I can add any here to do task over here, and I can update workflow. There are 33 issues in progress, 2 issues and done in its overall workflow. And overall, I can see the roadmap in which I can see the number of tasks done in sprint 2 and other, and I can also create versions code. GitHub, I have connected the GitHub from here. Generate different reports using burn up reports, print burn down charts, or cumulative flow diagrams. So exploring it. Also, I have made project pages, different versions, and I can also start with a blank page and product requirements, design meetings. Okay, and I can create an issue from here. So, this is capture your knowledge and unlock design decisions. I can use this template if I want to make a page, or I can update it later. Okay, this is not free. Start with a blank page, and this is project settings. I can change or alter any details if I want. Features, roadmap, backlogs, boards. I can make my own customized dashboard like this. I have made that, giving me all the updates, calendar, or activity streams that changes this, what is the progress of all the stuff, all the project activities. So I'm using agile, and the confluence is to create pages for your project, like I have created one, like project updates. This is I have made already. For business reviews, change status, and I can also add number of pages from here. If I want to add project related information, I can just drag and drop the templates. There are number of templates available here. One-on-one meeting, for example, if I'm going to, if I want one-on-one meeting template, then I can use it over here, and I can publish it. Date, I can give the date. For example, I can give it as 7 March. I'm going to arrange a meeting. Time will be 10 to 10:30. Participants we can mention. For example, I mention here that the participants will be Alina, yes, and number of other participants if I'm having Maria, Zarif, okay. And the location and meeting type will be check-in meeting or weekly, one day meeting hai. As well as the materials I'm going to provide, like note taking and points understanding, and this is I'm going to publish it. And the page will be meetings. So this is how you can create pages. There are a number of other pages I've created. You can also create blogs from Confluence base, and you can also integrate number of apps, um, and spaces. I have created spaces already. View all the spaces. Okay, and okay, this is all of it about the Jira.